Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed about the some concept of accounting, and now we have let's here start the another concept. Dual aspect concept. According to this concept, every business have transaction recorded having the dual concept. मतलब सभी ट्रांजैक्शन को हम लोग दो पहलू होते हैं, एक का पहलू होता है डेबिट और दूसरे का होता है क्रेडिट। जैसे देखें हम लोग एसेट्स इजकल टू लायबिलिटी प्लस कैपिटल या कैपिटल इजकल टू एसेट्स माइनस लायबिलिटी। दूसरा देखें रेवेन्यू recognition concept. Revenue means amount which is added to capital as a result of business operation. मतलब बिजनेस ऑपरेशन के दौरान बिजनेस ऑपरेशन करने से जो भी हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा इनकम कैपिटल में ऐड हो, दैट्स कॉल्ड रेवेन्यू। Matching concept. This concept is very important for the correct determination of net profit. According to this concept, determining the net profit from business operation, all costs which applicable to revenue of period be charged the revenue. Accordingly, for the matching concept with revenue, first revenue should be recognized and then the cost incurred for generating that revenue should be recognized. Next है objectivity concept. This concept requires the amount accounting transfer transaction should be recorded in an objective manner, free from the personal basis of either management or accountant who prepare the account. It is possible only when each transaction is supported by variable document and vouchers such as cash memo, invoice, sell bill, pay slip and any others. अब बात करते हैं अकाउंटिंग कन्वर्सेशन की। एंड अकाउंटिंग कन्वर्सेशन में बी डिफाइंड एज द custom or generally accepted by practice which is adopted by the general acumen. The following main convention of full disclosure, convention of materiality and convention of conservative. First, convention of full disclosure. This convention requires that all significant information relating to the economic affair of the enterprises should be completely disclosed. Next है convention of materiality. This convention is an exception to the convention of full disclosure. According to this convention, items having an insignificant effect or being irrelevant to users need to be disclosed. नेक्स्ट है कन्वेंशन ऑफ कंजर्वेटिव According to this convention, all anticipated losses should be recorded in the book of account, but all anticipated, all unrealized gains should be ignored. In other words, conservative is the policy of playing safe. Provision is made for all known liability and loss, even thought the amount cannot be determined with the certainty. आज के लिए इतना ही, दिस चैप्टर